Should you invest in the stock market? My name is Charity Azanwa Onoako. I'm the founder of WealthyGen and creator of the WealthyGen Smart Planner. If you've been asking yourself if investing in the stock market will make you money, then ask yourself if getting a portion of some company's profits sounds like a good idea to you. One good thing about investing in the stock market is that you make what is called passive income. You do not have to spend your time working for that company, and you do not necessarily have to glue your eyes on a computer screen trying to study the chart or even day trade if you do not have to. You can basically make money in the stock market when you are busy enjoying your vacation or just simply sleeping. Investing in the stock market makes you an equity holder. That means you are part owner of the company that you bought its shares, and you get to receive a portion of that company's profits and an increase in value of your holdings if the value of that company increases. This you get as an investor without having to do anything else. Let me teach you the basics of stock investing so you can get started right away.